Good morning, beautiful people. It is Sunday. Absolutely feeling the spirit today. Had a great meditation session early this morning, followed by prayer. And I know it's going to be a fantastic day. Got a nice workout in this morning. On my way to church right now. Going to be getting there a little bit early so that I could kind of monitor and see how to properly make sure that the greetings are happening for all the folks that are coming into service today. I'm going to be shadowing the current greeters and just making sure that I know how to do that, as I have signed up to volunteer to be a greeter at the church that I've been attending for a while now. It's called the Rock of Roseville. So I'm super excited to be able to give back and get a little bit more involved with the church. It's a fantastic place, just a great community, and something that I really look forward to doing each week. So for any of you that might be interested, definitely would recommend coming and checking it out, just seeing if maybe it's something that would fit your needs and feed your spirit, so to say. We are located at 725 Vernon Street in Roseville. Service starts at 10 o'clock. So I'll be greeting, going forward to welcome everybody in to service. Today I'll be shadowing. So, if anything else, if you do come by, please, it'd be nice to see you, say hi, give me a hearty handshake or a hug. Either way, definitely would love to see you guys out there. But, in addition to that, going to be doing another open house today. Looking really forward to that as well. Open house today starts at 1 o'clock, and that's going to go until 5 p.m. I'm going to be at the same property that I was yesterday. So posted a video about that. Definitely recommend you check it out if you haven't seen it, to get a little idea of what this house has to offer. It's located at 249 Summer Grove Circle, and that's in Roseville as well. So definitely, after church services and maybe a lunch, you can come check me out over there if you're in the market. It's a nice house in a great neighborhood, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Got it listed at $585,000, so $585,000. A lot of newly updated, things that have been taking place at that property. You got new carpet, new countertop. You got newer appliances that are the Frigidaire Gallery series, and that's their higher end series. It's got new paint inside. Just a really nice place. Definitely, I would encourage you to come check that out and come see me doing a little raffle. So when you get there, you can enter to win, chance at getting a free Starbucks gift card or even a free movie pass. Again, love to see you guys. Hope you can make it out. Again, the address for that is 249 Summer Grove Circle in Roseville. And again, if you wanted to come check out the Rock of Roseville, see what our service is all about, it starts at 10 a.m. and that is at 725 Vernon Street, and that's in Roseville as well. Hope to see y'all there. I hope you have a fantastically blessed day. And with that, I'll be signing out. Peace.